How to get your TikTok account unbanned. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If your TikTok account has been banned and you want to unban it, you want to launch open any web browser, now search unbanned TikTok account, then tap on this option which is account safety. Here you're going to get some instructions on how you can unban your account. So go ahead and follow these steps and check if your problem is fixed. However, if your account is still not unbanned, then you want to scroll all the way down. Here you will find the option of contact us. So tap on that. Now on this page, you want to select the topic. Now you want to select account ban and suspension. When you tap on that, here it says that you have to make an appeal. To make an appeal, you want to update your app to the latest version. Then tap on the profile at the bottom. Now tap on the question icon at the top of the login page. Here select suspended account and check if your account has been suspended. Now open the notification that your account has been banned, then tap appeal. Now follow the instructions provided in order to recover your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.